Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you have one of these shark vacuums, you know that the hose ends up breaking, so you can see like where it breaks there. It's usual like when you're doing stairs and stuff like that. So it's going to break out in the end at some point. So you need a replacement hose, and I have one, and it's an exact fit, and thankfully available on Amazon. So basically, you take the hose out, and as you can tell, it's basically the same thing. So what you're doing is you lift up here on the red piece, and then here on the collar, you're basically grabbing the two clips that are here. So those two clips, that's your old hose, and then your new hose. Basically, you're just lining up the two pieces, and then you push it in, and you'll feel it snap in place, and then back in place there, and kind of give you a close-up view. You're grabbing onto these two pieces here and lifting up on that, and that'll separate the hose for you. Then make sure you click it down, and you'll hear it click on both sides. Make sure both tabs come out. And again, this is for the NV352 model. So if you're wondering what it looks like in full, that's that. So basically with your replacement hose, you restore your vacuum so you get like great suction like you did in the beginning. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.